What's up, s'mores? I'm Shannon Morse. Welcome to my YouTube channel all about travel and technology. And today I'm so excited because I am sharing with you the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. So I was very lucky in the fact that Lenovo invited me to see the X1 Fold before they even announced it several months ago, and they have made some updates since then. So I'm super excited to share this product with you because one of the things I wanted to see at CES while I am here in Vegas is an actual folding screen laptop, and that's exactly what I got out of the X1 Fold. So to give you a bit of a premise about the X1 Fold, first off, obviously it is a folding display laptop and it comes with Windows 10 Pro built in as opposed to just regular Windows or some kind of proprietary operating system. So you do get full Windows 10 Pro on it. Now they did include their additional software to allow you to use it as a foldable tablet basically, or a foldable screen. So you can do things like multitasking, or you can use it with a keyboard, or you can do both at once, or you can stand it up and use it as a display. You have a lot of different options thanks to the software that Lenovo has added on. So since it is full Windows, you're probably wondering a little bit about the specs. Obviously, I was too, so I asked them all about it. The Lenovo X1 Fold comes with an Intel Core processor with Intel hybrid technology. It also includes integrated graphics, and those are Intel's 11th gen UHD graphics. So no additional graphics card is included. The actual display, which everybody is curious about, is the 13.3 inch. It's a QXGA flexible OLED. It's a 4:3 aspect ratio. And the resolution on this is quite surprising. It's actually 2K, so that's 2048 by 1536 pixels. And the brightness is not bad at all. It's 300 nits. And it's also a touch display. I mean, obviously, since this is a folding screen and you can use it without the keyboard, so you would use this with a touch screen. They will have a few different models available. It will come with 8 gigs of RAM and up to a 1 terabyte PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. Now the ports on this, there is one USB-C Gen 1, there's also one USB-C Gen 2, there's a SIM card slot, and there's also DisplayPort via USB-C as well. So you can plug this into an external monitor and use a second monitor, and you can use both of them at the same time too. Windows 10 has no issues recognizing an external monitor, so you can use this with additional ones, which I thought was pretty cool. There's a 50 watt-hour battery built in, and I was quite surprised at the battery that they quoted. They say that it will last for 11 hours. Now, I'm assuming that's with brightness turned down, and I'm assuming that's with like the wireless turned off and stuff like that. I would love to test this myself and see what it actually feels like with a regular use case, because I would be amazed if the battery actually lasts for 11 hours. I thought that was pretty cool. It also has Dolby Atmos built in, and it weighs 2.2 pounds with the folio cover. The keyboard is Bluetooth, and there's also an RGB camera. Now, one thing that I thought was really cool was Lenovo's attention to detail when it came to the actual folding portion of the display. Now, I noticed that with the fold, they actually create somewhat of a curve instead of flattening it, so you don't end up with any kind of crease in the screen. It just curves along this really nice little edge. So when you close it, you do see a bit of a gap, but the interesting thing is when you stick the wireless keyboard inside of there, it wirelessly charges the keyboard at the same time as protecting it, and it fits perfectly inside of it like it was, well, like it was made for it. Huh. There's a silicone type border around all of the external sides of the display, so you won't get any kind of dust or anything like that in there. And then double that with the fact that you can't crease the screen, which is wonderful. I really like how they actually fold the display. I thought that was so cool. And the wireless keyboard, you get a lot built in, along with having a nice folio that it all fits into. And you can use that as a little kickstand. So you can have a little kickstand for the back of your machine and use it as a laptop. So in total, with everything combined, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold will release in the summertime for $24.99. So we should see it around mid-2020, and that starting price of $24.99, which actually is pretty fair given that you get all those specs. You also get Wi-Fi 6 built into this thing, which is also very cool. I think that given the Galaxy Fold costs over $2,000, having a full-on Windows 10 Pro machine for $2,500 is not out of the question, given that it's a foldable display, and this is a first generation of a device that we will see. I thought it was pretty amazing to see the X1 Fold in person and see this beautiful, beautiful display and see how it bends and see how everything works together. It's really fluid and it's quite smart. I like how Lenovo put this device together, so that's why I wanted to feature it in today's video. Now, I did want to take a minute and thank Lenovo as well. Because of them, I'm able to come out here to CES and show you everything throughout the week. So I'm sure that I'm going to see a lot of really interesting foldable displays and interesting TVs. So I want to thank Lenovo for sponsoring me at CES 2020. Lenovo is here at CES 2020 to show off their newest line of consumer products, not just the X1 Fold, but you will see a ton of new devices from them. Lenovo has a vision of bringing smarter technology to people and businesses around the world, and they are doing that by creating new technologies that will build a better society, one that is built on inclusivity, trustworthiness, and sustainability. By building out a comprehensive portfolio of smart devices and infrastructure, Lenovo is leading a path towards that vision of smarter technology for all. Check out everything Lenovo is doing to bring this vision to life by visiting Lenovo.com and visit Lenovo.com/CES to learn about all of their newest products and announcements. And I would like to thank Lenovo for sponsoring this channel, and I would like to thank all of you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe down below and don't forget to like and comment on this video, especially if you have any questions or if you would like me to review any products that you see from the show floor right here on this channel in the near future. I have a ton of videos releasing this week, so make sure to subscribe again. Thank you so much to my s'mores, and make sure to check out that video from CES Unveiled. I will be releasing that video very shortly as well, if it's not already on the channel. My name is Shannon Morse. Thank you to my s'mores. I'll see you next time. Bye.